Hi, in this video, we'll learn how to automatically analyze the sentiment of customer feedback on form submission using the AI task in Zoho Creator. We'll demonstrate this using a sample customer support app. This is the customer feedback form used by customers to submit their experience after interacting with the support team. Now, imagine a scenario where the support team receives a large volume of feedback every day. Manually reviewing each response to understand how the customer feels can be time-consuming. To simplify this process, let's create a workflow to automatically analyze the sentiment of the feedback and populate the result in the same record when the form is submitted. To achieve this, we'll use the Analyze Sentiment AI task in Deluge to interpret the tone of the feedback and populate the result in a field on the same record. But before that, we also need a field to store the sentiment result. So let's start by adding a drop-down field to the customer feedback form. To do that, access the editor and open the form builder. Drag and drop the drop-down field from the basic field section and name it Sentiment. Add a few values to the drop-down. The sentiment field will return any of these values on executing the AI task. Since this field is only for back-end use, let's hide it from users. With that, the field is ready. Now let's move on to the workflow configuration that will auto-populate it with the detected sentiment. From the editor, access the workflow section and proceed to create a new workflow. Choose the customer feedback form and set the workflow to run when a record is created. The workflow should be triggered on form submission. Give it a name and proceed to create the workflow. Now, let's add a Deluge script action to define the logic. The logic is to fetch the text entered in the feedback field, pass it to the AI task, extract the emotion from the response, and populate it in the sentiment field on the same record. Let's proceed to define the script. Type response equals zoho.ai.analyseSentiment input.feedback. This line passes the text entered in the feedback field to the AI task. The task analyzes the tone of the text and returns the result as a key value response, which is stored in the variable response. Next, type emotion equals response.getData, .get0, .getEmotion. Here, we retrieve the emotion value from the response. The response returns a list under the data key, and we fetch the first item from that list to get the detected emotion. This could be one of the following. Finally, type input.sentiment equals emotion. This line populates the detected emotion into the sentiment field on the same record. With this, our configuration is complete. Click Save. Let's now test the configuration in the app. Let's submit a few feedback entries with different tones. As we can see, when a positive feedback is submitted, the sentiment field is automatically populated as happy. When a frustrated or critical response is entered, it is populated as anger or disappointment accordingly. Therefore, our requirement is successfully met. Similarly, you can use this method to analyze the sentiment of any text field in your Zoho Creator applications, such as product reviews, support tickets, or employee feedback, and automate actions based on the sentiment detected. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.